Happy day 15. So I got a little bit lucky. I don't have to go into the office today. I get to be at home, working from home, essentially. And I shouldn't have that much to do because the doctor needed to reschedule her day because she was not feeling well. That's really unfortunate. But anyways, it's nice that I get to work from home. And let's just get started with the day because I have plenty to get done. And actually, I probably won't vlog this, but since I've had this in Vlogmas already, but I really got to get my dishes all put away again. So I'm going to do that real quick. And I'm also going to be doing a Christmassy project with you guys today. Day 15 for my Vegan Delights chocolate calendar. This is, oh no, raspberry licorice. I don't think I'm going to like this one. I'm still going to try it. Oh no, it looks like black licorice. I'm nervous. I don't like black licorice. Is that a skull? Doesn't that look like a little skull on the top? Okay, it's not bad because the raspberry comes through a lot stronger, but definitely not my favorite. E15, empty, which means it's a bag. Day 15. What is this? Oh, a power bank, like a charger, a portable charger. I was like, what is that? You never can have enough of those around, especially with how much I use my phone since I vlog with my phone too. All right, gonna be doing 10 today. Orange Ginger Ultra Moisturizing Hand Balm. I'm curious. I'm gonna put some on right now. It's nice. It has a really nice scent. It smells like a very soft orange and gingerbread, kind of, or ginger, just spice. I don't know. It smells nice. It is very hydrating. It's a little tiny bit greasy when you blend it in, but it's very hydrating. So far I like it. And I'm gonna try the hair mask later tonight and I'll let you guys know if it's good. Wrapping a few gifts for coworkers and also some friends. This bag right here, how cute is this doggy bag? Or it's not a doggy bag, dog Christmas bag, you get what I'm saying. Holly, honey, that's the neighbor's baby. Speaking of dogs. Anyway, this is for the pups at the office. I got them some of their favorite toy brand stuff. And then this gift here is for Nella, one of my friends and coworkers. Isn't this bag so cute? Anyways, I need to go actually wrap some presents, like with wrapping paper. So I'm gonna go do that now. I added this wood tag to it that says Mary, and then I just put a little sticker for Nella. I had to use a bag like this because what's inside here is super heavy, so I can't, and it's like a kind of weird shape. So that's why it's in a bag like that. All right, Holly, so I have some good news and some bad news. Grandma's coming over in 30 minutes, Kay. She totally knows what that means, by the way. So Grandma's coming over, but Bailey and Daisy are coming too. Okay. Okay. The reason I'm warning her is because Bailey and Daisy are a little bit crazier than Holly, and she's not for it, and she hides from them. But she loves her grandma, right? Okay, we'll see how you react later when they come in. Okay, let's go get her. Come on. This is Holly now. Hi, girls. Good girls. Good girls. Yeah, such a good girl. You guys remember these gumball holders? They're actually just containers. I got these at the Target dollar spot years ago, but now Hobby Lobby has something very similar, in white, or in other colors as well. It's a little bit smaller than the original one I have from Target, but still just as cute. And I've had a couple of these for a while, and I'm like, what am I gonna do with these? I wanted to do a little project. So we came up with this idea to do a reindeer gumball machine and a snowman one, and then we're gonna fill it with treats to give my friends. I said we because my mama's here, and she found a lot of these items for me because I told her about the idea, and then she took off with it and got some Amazon goodies for us to actually do this project. And I'm gonna show you how we do it now. Also, if you have a Cricut at home, you could just do sticker like face items instead of having to do like the googly eyes and things like we're gonna do. But I don't have a Cricut, so we had to improvise and get little crafting items. So first up is the original Target ones because they're red, and I think that'll go better with Rudolph. She found these little antlers on Amazon. I've got a hot glue gun going because we're gonna hot glue this. And I'm just gonna place it like right behind there, I'm pretty sure. Then for Rudolph's nose, we have the red pom-poms. Then some googly eyes for the eyes. Or for the snowmen, we have these sticker faces already to use. How fun are those? They come in a whole big set. And then I think this is the cutest part for the snowmen. She found little miniature scarves. How stinking cute is that? And we're gonna have to do a little finagling to make it work, but we'll show you that in a moment. And then these little hats that we are gluing our own ribbon around for the cute hats. Or we did find some from Hobby Lobby that you can get, but they are just not as good. But they already have the ribbon on it. You could stuff some fluff in there to fluff this up and then put it on. But I also think it might be just a little too big. I think these are like the perfect size. But just to give you another option if you can't grab these in time. Scarves come in a bunch of colors, so you can coordinate to whatever your style is for the year. I'm gonna do one pink one and then one red one to show you guys. But I think these are gonna be the cutest gifts. So I'm going to end up taking 2 scarves, one in the center just kind of hanging over it like that, so that it looks like a scarf. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue on the back so it holds it. So this is for both the snowmen, and I think we might give Rudolph a scarf too. I'm not sure yet. Okay, ready? All right, I'm gonna start with his nose. A little bit of hot glue. Just wanna make sure it lines up. Oh my gosh, it's already cute.
He's got a big old nose.
I love it. And then we're gonna give him googly eyes. Should we do the googly eyes or should we do these eyes?
We'll just.
Let's do one each and let's see. Oh my God, that's cute too though.
Yeah, let's do
it's
that
like
one.
A girly Rudolph one. Yeah. We'll do that one first and then
okay. That's cute.
Now we're gonna do her antlers. Maybe we could give this one a little bow because she has, it can be, what's her name? The Clarice?
Clarice. Yeah.
It can be Clarice instead of even,
But
well,
Clarice,
no, he has a red nose.
He has a red nose.
Is that centered?
Just hold it there for a little bit.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
So cute.
All right, now we're gonna do the snowman. So first I'm gonna put some ribbon on the hats. One of the guys is gonna be pink. So I've got this pretty velvet pink ribbon. Then I'm gonna hot glue. Then we have some red ribbon that I'm just gonna connect in the back there and do one piece of glue. We realized we don't want to glue the hats down because then they won't be able to lift the lid very easy, but it does sit on it really nicely and it doesn't really fall off unless you're really vigorous with it. Okay, now we're going to do one of the faces. I'm thinking this one in the middle here. Do his nose first. His carrot nose.
Cute.
All right, I have 4 of them done. They're so cute. I'm gonna fill them with treats, or you can also do like a spa little items like nail polish, or you can use these as your gift card holders and put little items in them. I think they're so, so stinking cute and not that expensive to make either. Okay, you guys might disagree, but I took the smile off of this one. I made a frown. The smile off of this one, and I might take it off that one too because I think it makes it look clownish. I don't like clowns. Let me just make that very clear. I do not like clowns. So I was just like, you know what? It's giving me Christmas clown vibes. So I took the smile off, and I think it looks more like Rudolph without a mouth. What do you guys think? He doesn't need a mouth. I think it's cute without it. Tell me down below. Keep the smile, take away the smile. Yeah, I just think, no. It makes me laugh too without a mouth. It kind of reminds me of the Muppets because it's got to be because of the eyes.